So I'm going to show you how to set a mobile hotspot data limit on the Redmi Note 15 Pro so that your hotspot does not consume more data than you're willing to consume. So if you go into settings and then go to portable hotspot, and then you can see we have a hotspot on, there's something here called one-time data limit. So you can tap on that and then you can enable that one-time data limit. Now let's first turn off Wi-Fi because you need to be on mobile data to use hotspot. So I'm going to turn on one-time data limit, and then now here you can specify how much data you want to use in your mobile data in your hotspot. So you can set a cap at 200 MB so that when it gets to 200 MB, you can choose what happens when that limit is exceeded. You can select turn off and notify, or only notify. Now I'm going to select turn off and notify. So when you exceed 200 MB via the hotspot, it automatically turns off that mobile hotspot. All right. So that's how you can set mobile data limits for hotspot, or rather hotspot data limit on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.